Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits and my name is Kingsley. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to buy, sell and trade cryptocurrency and potentially turn your financial dreams into a reality. But before we get started, it is important to note that cryptocurrency is highly volatile and involves a high degree of risk. It is important also to do your own research and also understand the risks before investing in cryptocurrency. Now, let's get started on your path to financial freedom. The first step you want to take is to set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Now, before you can buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency, you will need a digital wallet to store your coins. There are many types of different wallets that you can choose from, such as software wallets. You have a mobile wallet and a hardware wallet. All right. Now, it is important to choose a wallet that is secure and fits your needs. After all, you want to protect your hard-earned investment. Now, the second step would be to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency of different types, right? Some very popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, to name but a few, all right? Now, it is important to compare the fees on these exchanges and also the security levels on these exchanges, and most importantly, the coins that are available on these different exchanges before deciding which one of them you would want to use. Now, you want to make sure you are getting the best deals and that your money is also in safe hands. Now, the third step would be to buy cryptocurrency. Once you have set up your wallet and chosen an exchange, you are ready to take the plunge into buying some cryptocurrency. All right. Now, you can use your debit card or your credit card to buy cryptocurrency on most exchanges, in most places or in most jurisdictions, right? So, depending on where you are, you can buy with your debit card. Also, you can also transfer funds from your bank accounts. Again, it is important to note that the price of cryptocurrency can fluctuate significantly. It can go up and down very fast, right? So you should be prepared for price changes when you buy cryptocurrency. But with the right strategy and a little luck, you could see your investments grow exponentially. Now, the fourth step would be to sell cryptocurrency. To sell your cryptocurrency, you will need to place a sell order on the exchange. You will need to specify the coin you want to sell, the amount you want to sell, and the price you want to sell it for. Once your sell order gets filled, you will receive the proceeds in your exchange account or in your wallet. It is a great feeling, to see your investment pay off and potentially set yourself up for future financial success. Now, the fifth step would be trading cryptocurrency. Now, trading cryptocurrency involves buying and selling to try to profit from the price changes that always happens very fast, right? Now, there are many different strategies you can actually use when trading cryptocurrency, such as the long-term investing, and also we have day trading, and then there is what's it called, swing trade, right? Now, it is also important that you understand the risks and do your own research before you start to trade cryptocurrency. But with the right approach and a little bit of risk taking, you can see your investment give you great returns in trading cryptocurrency. All right, and that is it, guys. You now know how to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency. As always, it is important to do your own research and understand the risks before investing in cryptocurrency. But with a little bit of knowledge and a lot of determination, you can make your financial dreams a reality. Now, thanks for watching, and do well to hit the like button if you like this content, if it resonates with you, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Please do share this video with your friends who would want to know how to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency. See you in my next video. Until then, compliment of the season and take care of yourself. Bye.